Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Having trouble setting up your myQ Smart Garage camera? In this video, I explain the full myQ Smart Garage security camera installation from start to finish. Follow easy steps to power on the camera, add it in the myQ app, connect to Wi-Fi, and start monitoring your garage in minutes. This easy myQ camera setup guide helps you connect your smart garage camera in just a few minutes. This guide is perfect for first-time users. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, unpack the extender. Inside the box of the myQ Smart Garage camera, you usually get the camera unit, a power adapter with cable, and a quick start setup guide. It may also include mounting hardware like screws or a bracket so you can easily install the camera in your garage. Now open Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search myQ app, tap Install. Open the app after installation. Sign in or tap Create Account. Enter email, password, and verify email if asked. Connect the camera to power using the adapter. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. LED light will start blinking blue/green. Blinking light means ready for setup. If no light appear, check power cable or try another outlet. Open myQ app. Tap Add Device. Choose Camera. Select Smart Garage Camera. The app will now search for your camera. Select your home Wi-Fi network. Enter Wi-Fi password. Tap Next/Connect. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. LED becomes solid when connected. If connection fails, use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, move camera closer to router, restart camera, and try again. After connection, enter camera name like garage camera, main garage, or parking area. Tap Save. This helps identify the camera in the app. Mount the camera. Choose a good spot, wall or ceiling, clear view of garage door, away from water or heat or near power outlet. Open myQ app. Tap Camera Name. View live video. Check clear video, proper angle or night vision works. Go to Camera Settings. Turn on Motion Detection. Set Notification Alerts. Setup complete. Your myQ Smart Garage camera is now ready to monitor your garage, send alerts, and give live video anytime from your phone. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.